Hi, welcome to the third installment of Google Presentations. We are going to finish up using the Insert menu during this session. So we're going to look at Insert, and then we're going to go down to Line. And when we look at the Insert Line menu, you can see you can choose from just inserting a regular line, one with an arrow, a curve, arcs, polylines, and scribbles. And what the scribble will do is it allows you to freehand draw. The line just draws a straight line and so forth. So if I wanted to scribble, I can just take my mouse and move it, and then I have my freehand draw, which is also a great tool if you need to annotate any of your slides. The other things that you can do in the Insert menu, you can go to Insert and go to Shape, and from here you can insert different shapes, different types of images. You can choose arrows, callouts, and in your callouts you also have different kinds of banners, and then some equation things for math, not very many, but at least some. So from here, if I wanted to just draw a circle, just grab the circle one and I drag my mouse and it allows me to draw a circle. From here you can resize your shape using the boxes at the side and in the corners. You can also rotate with the little circle up at the top of your image. And then when you click on it, you'll notice that you have your toolbar up here, and if you use that paint bucket, you can choose your different fill colors, so what your middle part looks like. I'm going to fill it in with red, and then the pencil will do the outline. As you can see on mine, my outline is still in blue, and I want to make it into a bright yellow. So you can see that it changed my outline here. Now, other things that you can do, you can go to Insert Table. So if you have any tables of any sort, and we can do, pick what size your table is. And from here, you can see you can pull and make your table as large as you need to. You can click on a cell, and in here, you can start typing. You can also then highlight your font or whatever text you have and change your font up on your toolbar. You can also change your size and do any other formatting things to it. You can also click on this gray arrow in the top right corner, and this selects your borders. So then you could choose if you want a thicker border, and then once you click on that border, you can choose up at the top your line color. So if I want it to be red and I want it to be a really thick line, this is your line weight. And then this is your line dash. So if you needed it to be dashed, you can do that as well. And then that does a different border around each one. Underneath our Insert menu, you also have Insert Comment, which is just like inserting a comment in a Google Doc. And it'll appear on the left-hand side. And you just type away. And then you have to make sure to click on the word comment so that it saves it. And you'll see it takes just a second. And once it comments, it'll stamp it with the time and the date. And if you're working with a student or other staff members, you can use it to leave notes for yourself or for somebody else. If I had said maybe that I needed to fix spelling to a student, they could see this and then click on resolve when they had gotten it finished, and the comment disappears. You can also go in and edit or delete your comment as well. I'm just going to delete it right now. Also under our Insert menu, we can insert our new slide, just like that. And we can also go to Insert and Import Slides. And when we import our slides, I showed you this when we went through the File menu, what this does is that it will take, I just have to find my presentation, whether I upload it or click on Presentations, click on Select, and then it is going to bring up all of the slides in a presentation for me. And once I do that, I just have to select all of the slides that I want, and I can choose to keep my original theme down here, or I can uncheck it so that it will match whatever theme that I have in my presentation now. And then from there, I just have to click on Import Slides, and you'll see that my slides appear and they kept the formatting of my new theme. So there you have it. That's the end of the Insert menu.